Hello, today I'm very excited to review my boots provided by GLOBALWIN. I was provided the sample and I love it. I'm super excited about these boots. Okay, let's take a look here. They're color camel on Amazon and they are a size 7. They fit very comfortably. They have a low heel and they are good in all locations, all the different seasons of the year. They're also high quality fall leather and synthetic leather. They look so pretty. Also, if you want to do something like a cowboy outfit, they're perfect for that. I'm wearing jeans and it looks so comfortable. They look comfortable, they are comfortable inside, they're very soft. I just love the product. I love the color. You can wear them with no show socks, and they're perfect for many outfits too, with a skirt, with a dress. I hope you enjoy them as much as I am enjoying them right now. Thank you for watching my video.